We're here today at Southern Manufacturing and I'm here with Domenic Seminerio. Let's speak about the stand. Not just a stand, it's an experience.
It is an experience. I mean, obviously, welcome to our stand and welcome to, obviously, MTD, new member.
Yes.
So here we are at Southern Manufacturing, and what you'll see behind me, obviously to the side of me, is the unity of our two lines, so Additive Manufacturing and CNC, Subtractive Manufacturing. So what we're trying to make the market aware of is that, our additive business, which is now in its 9th year, which started off as a little bit of a let's have a look and see what we can do in the additive world, has become a main stake in our business. So as Matsuura UK, we sell 3 lines, which is obviously the milling, 4, 5-axis machines, multi-pallet, the turning, the Muratech with the automated gantry style twin spindle, twin turret machines, and the additive. And the additive is really now all with HP. HP, we're doing obviously the MJF, the metal jet now, and FDM, which is quite a springboard for us in 2026, and hence this stand. So what you'll see is a unity of the two, and not only are we doing it here in Southern, we're going to be doing it at MAC in a bigger way as well.
Really looking forward to that. And for me, the feeling I get is this is a step up.
It's a step up. I think it's a step up. I think it's a unity, and trying to make obviously our additive and our CNC customers in the UK aware that it is one company and that we service and so the pre-sale, the post-sale, the after-sale, it's all done by Matsuura. So, it's that whole ownership and the lifetime of the machine tools. Yeah, exactly that.